Hello, Beauty Squad. Welcome back to my channel. It's your girl, Tanya, aka TeeTee. Welcome back to my channel of all things life, love, and of course, beauty. I hope you guys are having a great end of summer. As summer kind of wraps up in a couple weeks, it's still hot here in LA. It's going to be like 100 today, which is ridiculous, but it's all good. So I'm bringing today my updated skincare routine. I haven't done a skincare regimen video in a while because my skincare changes all the time. I'm fickle with it, and I think as of recently I've kind of settled more into what I like, which is really more of a less is more approach. And I don't do all the layers and layers and layers of products, and I just use a couple of products, and that is usually it. So it's all about, less is more, maintaining, and everybody needs a good skincare regimen. So whether you buy really high-end products somewhere in the middle or more affordable products, you kind of have to do what works best for you. And that's what I do. And skincare, a big part of skincare is, if you're more acne prone, if you're, oily or dry, you just kind of have to find, what suits you best. And as I've said a lot of times, my skin is oily. So especially in the T-zone area, everything else tends to be, really normal. But when it's oily, it's really, really, really oily. So I'm going to bring you a few products that I use to kind of maintain all of this. Just a handful of products. Again, it's all about anti-aging and less is more, for me, because I just ain't got time every day to put on like 16 different products. That's just not me. So before we get into it, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. You're already here, so just hit the little bell so you know when my videos have been uploaded. Like, comment, thumbs up, thumbs down. Tell me what you want to see, what you don't want to see, what you like, what you don't like. And I would do my best to bring that to you. And I do actually reply to most comments. So let's get into the skincare regimen. Okay, so the cleanser that I'm going to start off with is from Estee Lauder. And it's the Perfectly Clean Multi-Action Cleanser. And it's ideal for oil skin. So, and it's got kind of a texture to it, and it's kind of one of those, a little goes a long way. And when I say texture, it almost feels like it's got these little beads, cleaning beads in it, which feels really, really good on the skin. So let's just wash my face with this as I pull my hair back. Lukewarm water is definitely the best way. The interesting thing about that cleanser, like a lot of high-end cleansers, is there's always perfume in them. It's just a light scent, but it's definitely, enough to grab your attention. And so the products that I have are a good mix of, some high-end Estee Lauder and, just a few other things. Do this watermelon glow mask. Oh my God, I love this. Love this. And I do this usually a couple times. No, I take that back. Maybe once or twice a week. So I don't sleep in it like they say you can. Yeah, that I don't do. I just, I don't know how I feel about that, but I can do the other part and you leave it on for 10 minutes. Oh. Hello. I just kind of, get this all over. And then, how about this? I'll see you in 10 minutes. All right, so it's been 10 minutes and let's rinse this off. I really like that glow recipe, but I've used that for a couple of years now, and I really, really like it. All right. Then I'll go in with some Pixie toner. This is the vitamin C toner, and I love this stuff. And I think I like it a lot simply because, two reasons. Because it has vitamin C in it, which is really good for the skin. And it doesn't have any alcohol in it, which is a plus. Then just take this and sweep it all across my face. All the way down here. Not a lot of dirt. Not a lot of dirt. Yeah, I'm impressed. Not a lot of dirt. Bless you. Husband sneezing. Then I usually go in, it's daytime, with the Estee Lauder Day Wear. It's got SPF in it. And I love, 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 love this stuff. Because it's really hot out. And your face definitely needs sunscreen. Kind of massage this all into the face. Take it all the way down to the neck area. Because that needs love too, of course. Love that. And then, of course, an eye cream. So right now I'm using this from Fresh. It's a black tea age delay eye concentrate, and I really like this, and I use it twice a day. You can see I'm almost done with it, which really, really says a lot for me. The fact that I'm almost done with this, yeah, speaks volumes. And I usually would just lather this all over, even the corners here of my eye, here. Just kind of massage it all in here. I like this, and it smells good too. That might be too much. That's Chocolate back there. He's watching football, and here comes, oh, Rosie, our dog, is sleeping because that's what she does. All right, massage that in. And that's relatively it for my skincare routine. Sometimes I'll add a serum in, and sometimes I'll top it off with this glow from Pixie, as it's really, I really like it. And I'll just kind of take it on the high points of the face here and just kind of gently kind of massage it in. Sometimes I'll put it all over, which, why don't we? I really like this. Kind of just take it all over. That is it. I mean, it doesn't get, you know, any more simpler than that. Handful of products. Cleanser. And I used my glow recipe today. I used my toner from Pixie. Moisturizer with sunscreen, eye cream, and just a little added bonus, Pixie's On The Glow moisture. It's a moisture stick, but it's a moisture glow stick. So it doesn't get, you know, any better than that. So that is my, as something is in my eye, that is my less is more skincare routine. So what did I use? 6 products. I mean, that's it. Because I don't have time. Some people use like 12, 13, 14, 15. That's all I use. And I drink water all day throughout the day. And there's lemon, you know, in here obviously as well too. So let me know what you guys think. What does your skincare routine look like? Is it just a handful of products? Is it a lot of products? Again, for me, less is more. I'm just trying to maintain all of this right now. So comment below. Let me know what you think. And until next time, TeeTee is out.